Greetings, friends. I am going to be showing you a deck today. One of my friends gave me this beautiful Woodland Wardens Oracle deck this past weekend, and I wanted to do a little unboxing. So I thought I'd come online and do that. This one's really good for nature and earth energy, and as you can see, I'm usually always surrounded by forest energy when I come to you in these videos. So let us see what this is all about. Obviously, the animals on here are animal medicine, amakuas, helpers, spirit helpers. So we will be looking at that as well. I hope you're doing well and taking time out to breathe during this intense energy. So it has a little bit about the author inside, and of course this lovely little book here, and the background on the cards. So let's go ahead and just do a little invocation prayer. Great Spirit, guardians of light, what is the nature energy for us right now? I call it upon you, Great Spirit, to purify this deck, clear it, and setting the intention that that which is of our highest good and of the highest light to come forward through these messages, that we receive the messages that are right for us in this moment to take us forward towards our next steps, through ease, through grace, through flexibility, through, I'm hearing shifting, like slipstreams, shifting, shape-shifting. So what do the nature spirits say to us right now? What is the message? Let's say this one, we'll do one. Two, oh no. I've been standing up a lot more in my videos. You might have noticed that, and I've been receiving like that message from Spirit because energy seems to flow through me better that way. I usually like to sit down, but I've been hearing stand up in your videos, stand up, stand tall, stand strong. I don't know if you guys ever get this too when you're doing your work and your readings or videos or what you present in the world, but if I share that with you. Okay, so the first card we got is the Quail and the Gooseberry, anticipation. And I'll kind of go back through the book and kind of read these a little bit because it is a new deck, so I'm just getting familiar with it. The second card is the Bat and Hellebore, intuition. And then the third card is the Finch and the Peach, romance. So maybe a little bit more playfulness into one's life. Okay, so the Quail and the Gooseberry, anticipation. What is coming up for us right now? What is coming up in your own life that you're looking forward to? Are you aware of it? Is this something, maybe this is going to be something unexpected. Oh, so these cards are Roman numerals instead of regular numbers. So let me see. Not finding this one. Okay, thank you for your patience. Maybe if I just look in the table of contents, that'll be easier. Oh, it's the last card of the deck. Okay. almost there. Okay, so the quail and the gooseberry. The event or outcome you've anticipated is about to occur. Take advantage of your foreknowledge, preparing for what's to come. From an obscure perch, the quail keeps careful watch, monitoring for predators. So this is about keeping watch over what's coming up, keeping watch over I'm seeing like our seeds, our fruits, our berries, our harvest. So knowing that it's about to arrive, it's not here yet, but keeping in mind that those fruits are coming. Don't give up. Okay, and then the second card is the Bat and the Hellebore. Your instincts can be relied upon. Curl inward like a hellborn. I hope I'm saying that right. As the blind bat, trust its hearing, trust in your intuition to guide you. How can I learn to trust my gut? Do I need to analyze a problem, or is the answer more immediate and instinctual? So whenever I think of bat energy, listening to, like, closing one's eyes, listening to the vibrations in the wind. And when I say wind, not just the physical level, obviously the spirit level. What vibrations do you feel could be coming toward you at this time? And what are the nature of them? And you could even think of it like, does it feel like a physical sensation coming? Is it more of a scent on the air? Is it reverberations, like maybe under your feet? Do you feel it in your heart area? To kind of get an idea and sense of the frequencies. And then also, I'm seeing kind of your light bubble, making that stronger. Is this something I want to allow in? Is this something that needs to be purified, maybe with the violet flame? So keeping that in mind as we allow things in. And then the last one, the Finch and the Peach. Oh, that opened right up. So your vibrancy and charm have led to a your vibrancy and charm have led to a blossoming romance. Be open to and accepting of new love's many delights. How I show others I love them? Do I feel safe and supported enough to open to new love? So this could be love in its many phases, whether you're single or in a relationship, and also to oneself. Are we open to love ourselves? Because ultimately, that's how we really connect and allow love from outside in, is if we're allowing ourselves to be loved by ourselves. So taking a moment and how can I love myself, love on myself more? Do I need a hug? Give yourself a hug. How can I do things that nurture my body, my temple that my spirit is in at this time? May be important for us. Okay, so keep that in mind. And notice there's that peach there, and then the other one, you have these fruits that haven't left the vine yet, but they're about to drop. And this one, you're actually partaking of it. So, but then there's this time of the bat kind of being in the unseen and not being able to quite see the way through. So using our inner guidance system to get us to the point where we're like, okay, the fruit has dropped from the tree. I'm holding it and I'm partaking of it. And look at how my works have brought about this new delicious aspect of life. So yeah, that's a nice flow. And I feel like right now we are in that. Like there's so many changes and shifts going on. We can't always see where they're going, but we can feel it happening. So stay with it. And remember to call in your guides, guardians of light, mighty master within, and can keep moving forward. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Sorry for the delay with finding things. Sometimes, new books and whatnot takes a little while. And I'm just wishing you a beautiful day and week ahead. Sending many blessings your way. If you'd like to book a reading, feel free to reach out.